Hi, good morning. This is your Lolo Groovy once again. Welcome back to my channel. Project for today, we're gonna change the rotor and the brake pads of our Toyota RAV4. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Push the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Enjoy watching. Here we are. It's still winter. So first, before starting the project, let's remove the ice or the snow under the car. Outside is 25 degrees something. It's so cold, but I don't mind it. And let's start the project. When lifting the vehicle, don't forget to use a jack stand to support the jack. Wheel is stuck. The rim of the wheels is stuck due to corrosion, so I'm gonna use a penetrating oil to lubricate the area. There are two 17mm bolts for the caliper mount and two 14mm bolts for the caliper. Break loose all the bolts starting with the 17mm. Then remove the 14mm bolts that is holding the caliper. Pry out the caliper and set it aside in a secured place to avoid damage to the brake hose. Remove the two 17mm bolts that holds the caliper mount. Remove the caliper mount and the brake pads. After removing the caliper mount and the brake pads, you can now remove the rotor. By looking at this rotor, you can see that it's already damaged and worn out. Clean and remove all the dust and rust of the brake dash shield before painting. In this project, we're going to change both the rotor and the brake pads. And we're only going to use original parts that came from the dealer. Before installing the rotor, clean the surface thoroughly. When cleaning the caliper mount and the anti-rotor clip, avoid spraying the rubber boot with brake cleaner. Remove the slide pin. Clean and apply grease if needed. Install the anti-rotor clip and apply grease. Also apply a thin layer of grease on the part of the brake pad that will come in contact with the anti-rotor clip. Position the brake pads before installing the caliper bracket. Slide in the rotor. With the use of a C-clamp, push the piston back into the housing. Insert the rubber cover. Install the caliper bracket. Next, install the caliper. So there you are. We've finished changing the rotor and the brake pads on one side of the vehicle. And I'm gonna do the same step to the other side. And after this, I'm done with the project. I'm very happy today because even with the cold weather, I managed to share one project with you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell for more videos. Keep safe and God bless.